Hi guy, hi guys. This is Juan David talking. So for installing your Office package, in order for you to have the latest version of Microsoft Office Excel, you need to go, as I told you in the email, go to office365.com, Office365 sign in, click to the first result in the Google, then just sign in. If you don't have your stored Outlook or university account, you just have to type it as you do when you are going to sign into your Javeriana email account. So just type it. In my case, I already have it like saved in my computer, so I just click sign in. My password is already saved. So again, in this case, you will have to type in your username with the @javeriana.edu.co and then your password. Click sign in again. Well, don't show this again. Yes, sign in. And then here you appear all the apps that the university has given you, including with your tuition payment. So you just click here in Install Office 365 apps, and it would include all the apps, all the Office apps that are here. Includes Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So if you click here, it will install all the apps, including the Excel, the one that we need for this week class session. So once you install it, it should pop up, and the instructions to follow would be quite easy. This process works for both Mac OS and Windows OS. So hope you find it useful, guys, and please be ready to have the latest version of the Excel so we can do the workshop on Excel in this week's session. Thank you so much and have a nice day.